What's up, guys? I'm here in Freshco. So this oatmeal is $3.49. You will save $1.52. All this oatmeal is same price, but this one was $4.47. Now it's $2.97. All these ones, but this pancake is $3.75. all this, and this $3.75, and then yeah, this one is $2.97. this oatmeal. Then this one was $6.27. now it's $4.97. and this too is honey almond. Look the nutrition, they have more iron, and ingredient gluten free, whole grain, all these beautiful ingredients, nutrition, all this, and pumpkin seed flax $4.97. and this cereal $3.47 was $5.99. and another one up there, same price. And this one, I may grab one, it's $3.97. before was $5.99, so you save $2. Wow, nice. And then this one was $7.99. this one is $5.47. and this one was $7.99. now it's $5.47. and this my favorite cereal, I may grab I want to, this small one, now it's $3.47. the bigger one is $7. apple cinnamon $5.47. another one which is on sale also was $6.49, but now it's $3.97. and another cereal which is on sale $3.47. all that is on sale, and this too is on sale. I bought I think four of this last time. If it's not 6, I still have 2. I left with 2. and this Cheerios $3.47. the bigger one is $5.47. this another Cheerio $3.47. why this one is $4.47. all this, and another one up there $4.97. and this $3.97. and this I may grab another one. all these are on sale. all that is on sale. You save $2.02 most of this. and all this my son's favorite cereal $3.47. all this Now I'm in the juice area. This Crampto is $3.97. You save 82 cents. All this. I'm learning how to make all this vegetable juice, kind of. This cranberry juice is $3.97. $3.97. Most of them are $3.97. All this. So now I'll be showing you how to make this juice. All of this $3.97. Before was $4.49. This mango juice, $1.47. Pineapple juice, $1.49. You save $1.02. Juice, apple, orange, grape, apple juice, $1.47. All of this. All this. Kids' favorite juice, even teenagers. My son's favorite juice is this orange one. That one is nasty. Was $9, but now it's $6.25. Even that one. And this was $8.99. Now it's $6.25. All this milk. $1.97. Let's see. Look, nutrition. Vitamin E, 7%. Calcium, 1%. Potassium, 4. Sodium, 7. Geez. Fiber, sugar. And this coffee, you save it just 49 cents. All this. Nescafe, $5.97 was $8. And that one up there, $4.47. This coffee was $16.99, but now it's $13.97. So you save $3. All this. But this one, maple, was $10. Now it's $7.97. Tim Horton coffee, French vanilla, is $7.97. All this. The bigger one was $23.99, but now it's $19.97. The bottom one was $13.99, but now it's $13.49. Even this one, okay, subscribe for part 2. I'm here in Freshco. Bye guys.